So what is going on? Welcome back to Big Boy Tactical. Today we're going to be talking about the 458 Socom, which is this rifle right here, versus the 50 Beowulf. Here is a 50 Beowulf cartridge. Here it's a 458 Socom cartridge. The first thing that we're going to notice about the cartridge, the rounds themselves, is that the 50 Beowulf is a little heavier, a little bigger than the 458 Socom. The 458 is a bottleneck. The 50 Beowulf is straight wallet. The 50 Beowulf comes in at 34, 35 grams, and the 450 Socom comes in at 36 grams. This 450 Socom has 350 grams. 350 grains. The magazine, the 450 Socom magazine uses at 11.63 by 40, 450 Socom, but you can also use the same magazine for the 50 Beowulf. And just like that, you can also use a regular AR-15 magazine. For the 50 Beowulf, you just gotta shave down the front of it a little bit. Or the 458 Socom. Again, you just gotta shave a little bit of the front so that you can fit them in, and a little bit in the back, so that they can operate properly. Just don't expect to be able to fit 20 rounds in it. You're not going to be able to. This here, it's another 458 Socom cartridge. But talking about the rifle in front of me, this rifle has a Spike Tactical lower with the Warthog, MOA magazine, takedown pins from Redcon 1 Tactical, ionized red. It's got UTG bipod, iron sights, and the 458 Socom uses a 458 Socom BCG, Bull Carrier Group. The charger handle is a regular butterfly fancy charger handle. The next thing that I'm going to be replacing on this is the buffer and the spring. I'm going to put a compressed stealth spring. And that's about, and getting a scope. That's about the only thing I'm doing to this, or adding on to it. But when you compare the 458 to the 50, the first things that you're going to notice is the recoil. The 450 has less recoil, while the 450 has a longer range. Like I said before, bottleneck, straight wall. The prices on the rounds are a little more expensive. For some reason on the 458, they range from $32 to $59, almost $60 on the 458 Socom, while the 50 Beowulf are between $25 and $55. The 458 and the 50 Beowulf can be used for hunting. None of these rifles are high velocity or long range distance rifles. Their average velocity leaving the muzzle is between 1807 and 1834 for both the 458 and the 500, not the 550 Beowulf. The most effective range distance, the limitation for both of them are about 300 yards, and the prices on both of the rifles are noticeably because the 450, I've seen it as low as $824, $125. And for example, Alexander Arms has their 50 Beowulf at approximately $1450 at the starting prices. If you have any questions about the 450 Socom, or you have a 450 Socom or 50 Beowulf, Tell us about it in the comment section. Make your own video. Tag me in it. I hope you guys like the short review. I'm not going to be doing reviews that are 10, 20 minutes long, 30 minutes long. I don't want to bore you out of it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.